Humans have built things so insane, you won't believe they're real. Let's count down the top 5 craziest constructions ever made by humans. Number 5. The Palm Islands in Dubai. Imagine building an entire city on the sea, shaped like a palm tree, completely by human hands. That's exactly what was done here. These islands are so massive that they can be seen from space, and they're made from millions of tons of sand and rocks. The project required thousands of workers and years of construction, all to create a paradise in the middle of the desert. Each island has luxury hotels, villas, and even amusement parks, all on land that didn't exist before. Engineers had to carefully plan the shape and the coastline to withstand waves and tides, making this not just a stunning visual masterpiece, but a mind-blowing engineering challenge. When you look at it from above, it almost looks fake, like a sci-fi world. But it's real. Humans literally turned the ocean into one of the most iconic landmarks on Earth. Palm Islands are a perfect example of what we can achieve when ambition meets engineering. Number 4. The Three Gorges Dam in China. This isn't just any dam, it's the largest power station in the world. Imagine a structure so massive it stretches over 2 kilometers long and towers more than 180 meters high. That's taller than many skyscrapers. Engineers had to redirect a massive river and move millions of tons of rock and concrete to make this possible. It generates enough electricity to power millions of homes, but the sheer scale of it makes it almost unbelievable. The dam also holds back a staggering amount of water, enough to cover an entire city under its reservoir. It's so huge that it has even slightly changed the Earth's rotation. Yes, humans built something so massive it can affect a planet itself. From engineering marvel to environmental challenges, the Three Gorges Dam shows exactly what we're capable of when ambition and technology collide. Standing in front of it, you can't help but feel tiny compared to this colossal creation. Number 3. The International Space Station. Humans didn't just build on Earth, we built a structure in outer space. Orbiting our planet at an altitude of over 400 kilometers, the ISS is one of the most extraordinary engineering achievements in history. This massive station was assembled piece by astronauts, traveling at mind-bending speeds of around 28,000 kilometers per hour. That's fast enough to circle the entire Earth in just about 90 minutes. Inside this floating laboratory, astronauts live, work, and conduct experiments in zero gravity, something that once belonged purely to science fiction. Every module, every panel, every system had to function perfectly in the harsh environment of space. The idea that humans can build, maintain, and survive aboard a machine flying above our planet is simply astonishing. The International Space Station is proof that human engineering is no longer limited to Earth. We have reached the stars. Number 2. Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Rising from the desert like a futuristic needle piercing the sky, the Burj Khalifa is the tallest structure humans have ever built. Standing at an astonishing height of over 828 meters, this mega tower completely dominates the skyline. To put that into perspective, it's more than twice the height of the Empire State Building. Engineers had to overcome extreme wind forces, scorching temperatures, and unimaginable structural challenges to make this possible. The tower contains thousands of residences, offices, luxury hotels, and observation decks, turning this vertical giant into a city within the sky. Every detail, from its foundation to its peak, required groundbreaking engineering innovation. Looking up at it feels almost unreal, as if it shouldn't be physically possible. But it is. Burj Khalifa is a symbol of how far human ambition and technology can reach, literally touching the clouds. Number 1. The Line in Saudi Arabia. Imagine a city unlike anything humans have ever attempted, a massive mirrored structure stretching across the desert for an incredible 170 kilometers. No cars, no traditional streets, just a futuristic vertical metropolis. The line is designed to house millions of people inside two gigantic parallel walls, creating a world where everything you need is just a short walk away. Powered by advanced technology and renewable energy, this project challenges everything we know about urban design. The scale is almost impossible to comprehend. A city longer than many countries, built as a single continuous structure, reflecting the sky like something from a science fiction movie. If completed as envisioned, the line could redefine how humans live, travel, and build forever. It's not just a construction project. It's a glimpse into the future of civilization itself. From artificial islands, to cities in the sky, to structures in space, human engineering has no limits. And this might only be the beginning. What will humans build next?